Wake up early, start your day right. Everyone, have you ever heard the phrase, win the morning, win the day? It's not just a catchy saying, it's a powerful truth. Today, I want to share with you why waking up early can be one of the best decisions you ever make. It's not just about getting up with the sun, it's about owning your time, your mindset, and your life. Waking up early offers a unique kind of magic that is difficult to find at any other time of the day. It's the quiet before the world begins to stir, the gentle hush before the noise of life takes over. In those first few early hours, there is an unmatched clarity and a deep sense of focus that many people miss out on simply because they're still asleep. When you rise before the rest of the world, you give yourself the rare opportunity to exist in a space that is calm, clear, and completely yours. Think about what usually happens when you wake up late. You jump out of bed, rush to get dressed, skip breakfast, and head straight into a day that's already demanding something from you. From the moment your eyes open, you're reacting instead of creating. You're catching up instead of taking charge. But when you wake up early, everything shifts. There's time to pause, there's space to breathe, and most importantly, there's mental room to think clearly. You're not bombarded with notifications, conversations, or responsibilities yet. Your mind hasn't been pulled in 100 directions. This mental stillness is powerful and incredibly productive. When your mind is free from distractions, it becomes easier to focus. Whether you're journaling, planning your day, reading, or simply sitting in silence, the early morning hours allow your thoughts to settle into place. You can reflect on your goals, your priorities, and what matters most to you. It's like wiping the fog off a mirror. Everything becomes sharper. You start to see what's important and what's just noise. And that sense of clarity helps guide your decisions throughout the rest of the day. Not only is your mind more focused in the morning, but your ability to work deeply is also heightened. Psychologists have found that we have more willpower and mental discipline early in the day, particularly when we haven't yet been drained by dozens of small decisions. That means if you use your early hours intentionally by working on meaningful tasks, making thoughtful plans, or setting daily intentions, you're more likely to stay focused and productive for the rest of the day. The early morning becomes your launching pad, and what you do in that quiet space can set the tone for everything that follows. Another powerful benefit of early morning clarity is emotional awareness. When we're constantly on the go, we rarely take the time to check in with ourselves. But in those quiet moments before the world wakes up, we have the chance to really listen to what we're feeling, what we're thinking, and what we might be avoiding. That self-awareness is a form of mental clarity that helps us approach challenges with a balanced mindset. Instead of reacting emotionally to stress or frustration, we can respond with calm and intention. Many successful people swear by this time of day. It's not just because they enjoy the peace, it's because they recognize how much clearer their thinking is when they rise early. Artists, entrepreneurs, athletes, and leaders across all fields have tapped into the mental edge that the early hours provide. They protect that space because they know how valuable it is. So when you wake up early, you're not just gaining time, you're gaining clarity. You're giving yourself a head start not just on your to-do list, but on your mindset, your focus, and your overall well-being. It's a small shift with a massive impact. In the stillness of early morning, when the world hasn't yet made demands of you, you get to focus fully, deeply, and freely, and that clarity can change everything. Imagine starting your day without stress. No frantic running around, no missed buses, no skipped breakfast, no feeling like you're already behind before the day has even truly begun. That's the beauty of waking up early. It gives you one of the most valuable gifts we often take for granted, time. And not just time in terms of more hours in the day, but time that feels spacious, calm, and yours to use however you choose. When you wake up late, the morning becomes a blur. You're rushing to get ready, checking the clock every few minutes, maybe skipping your morning routine altogether just to make it to school, work, or your next commitment on time. It's stressful, and that stress doesn't just disappear. It follows you into your day. You arrive at your first task already feeling behind, distracted, maybe even irritable. This kind of start can throw off your entire rhythm, making everything feel more overwhelming than it needs to be. On the other hand, when you wake up early, you gain control over how your day begins. You're no longer racing the clock, you're working with it. You have the freedom to move at a steady, comfortable pace. There's time to sit and enjoy a cup of coffee coffee or tea, time to eat a proper breakfast without gulping it down, time to stretch, to think, to breathe. These may seem like small things, but they have a huge impact. Starting your day slowly and intentionally sets a positive tone that carries through every hour that follows. Having more time in the morning also gives you a chance to plan. And when you plan, you feel prepared. Instead of reacting to situations as they come up, you're one step ahead. You've looked at your schedule, set your goals, and prioritized what needs your attention. That preparation alone can reduce anxiety and make your entire day feel more manageable. There's a big difference between a day that feels like it's happening to you and a day that feels like you're in charge. Another important aspect of having more time in the morning is how it affects your relationships. When you're not rushing, you can actually connect with the people around you. Maybe you have time to chat with your family before everyone heads out for the day. Maybe you get to send a kind message to a friend or hold the door for someone without being in a hurry. These small moments of connection can bring unexpected joy and warmth, and they're often missed when we're constantly rushing from one place to the next. More time in the morning also creates space for self-care. Maybe you take a short walk, write in a journal, or do a quick workout. These things don't require hours, but they do require presence. And presence only happens when you aren't rushed. When you give yourself that time, you're sending a message to your mind and body that you matter, that your well-being isn't just something you squeeze in if there's time, it's a priority. The truth is, life moves fast enough already. The world will always try to pull you into a whirlwind of tasks, obligations, and noise. But by waking up early, you create a buffer between you and that chaos. You create a space of calm where you can start your day with intention rather than reaction. And when you begin from a place of peace, you're better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. So yes, waking up early gives you more time, but more importantly, it gives you better time. Time that feels full, spacious, and meaningful. Time that lets you step into your day with clarity, calm, and confidence. And that is the kind of time that changes lives. There's something deeply grounding about having a morning routine. It's not just about what you do, it's about how you do it and how consistently you show up for yourself each day. But waking up early opens the door to something far more important than just having extra time. It gives you the opportunity to build a powerful routine that sets the foundation for your entire day. When you start your morning with purpose and consistency, everything else tends to fall into place. Most people wake up and immediately dive into their day without much thought. They check their phones, scroll through messages or social media, and react to whatever notifications demand their attention. It's a reactive cycle that begins the moment their eyes open. But when you wake up early and intentionally craft a morning routine, you shift from being reactive to proactive. You take control of the day rather than letting the day control you. A good routine doesn't need to be complicated or packed with tasks. In fact, the most powerful routines are often simple but consistent. It might be something as straightforward as making your bed, drinking a glass of water, stretching for 5 minutes, writing down your goals, or sitting quietly with your thoughts. Each of these actions might seem small, but together they build a sense of rhythm, structure, and self-discipline. They create momentum, and momentum is what carries you into the rest of your day with energy and purpose. The beauty of a morning routine is that it becomes your personal anchor. No matter what chaos life throws at you later in the day, you've already started off with clarity, intention, and action. That sense of stability can be incredibly empowering. It's your reminder that no matter how unpredictable the world may be, there are still things within your control, and how you begin your day is one of them. Over time, these early morning habits start to shape your identity. You begin to see yourself as someone who follows through, who shows up, who invests in growth, even when no one is watching. That builds confidence because you're keeping promises to yourself. And when you trust yourself to stick to a routine, it becomes easier to stay disciplined in other areas of life too. Another powerful aspect of a morning routine is how it trains your brain. By starting the day with structure and intention, you help your mind focus better and make clearer decisions. It's like tuning an instrument before a performance. The better prepared you are mentally and emotionally, the more in sync you'll feel as the day progresses. Your productivity improves, your stress levels drop, and you begin to operate from a place of purpose, not pressure. Morning routines also create space for what matters most to you. Maybe that's reading a book, going for a walk, meditating, journaling, or listening to music. These moments of solitude and human connection can fuel your creativity, sharpen your thinking, and strengthen your emotional resilience. In a world that constantly demands your attention, carving out intentional you time first thing in the morning is like planting a flag and saying, my well-being comes first. It's important to remember that routines aren't about perfection. They're about consistency. Some mornings won't go exactly as planned, and that's okay. What matters is the intention behind it, the commitment to come back to it, and the understanding that your routine is there to support you, not stress you out. So when you wake up early, don't just use that time to get a head start. Use it to build something. Build a routine that aligns with your goals, supports your growth, and energizes your spirit. When you do that, your mornings stop being something you dread and become something you look forward to. They become a powerful foundation for everything else you want to achieve. There's a certain energy that comes with starting your day early. It's not just about being awake before the rest of the world. It's about what you do with that time. Productivity isn't just working harder, it's working smarter with clarity and purpose. And waking up early gives you the perfect conditions to do just that. When you rise early, you give yourself a head start. You begin the day without distractions, without noise, and without the chaos that builds as the hours go on. That early pocket of time is quiet, peaceful, and full of potential. It's a moment where you can focus deeply without interruption, where your thoughts are fresh and your mind hasn't yet been clouded by the demands of the day. That mental freshness is a huge advantage, especially when it comes to getting important tasks done. One of the key reasons early risers are often more productive is because they tap into their most focused hours. For many people, the early morning is when the brain is at its sharpest, able to concentrate better, problem solve more effectively, and make clearer decisions. With no emails buzzing in, no meetings on the go, and no constant social interactions to pull your attention away, you are able to dive into what matters most and do it with more depth and efficiency. It's also easier to set the pace for the day when you begin it on your own terms. Waking up early gives you time to map out your goals and organize your priorities before things get busy. Instead of jumping straight into tasks without direction, you can approach your day with a clear plan. And when you start with intention, you're far more likely to stay on track and avoid the usual time-wasting traps like procrastination, multitasking, or decision fatigue. Another benefit of early rising is how it supports your ability to develop strong habits. When you consistently start your day early, you create space to build routines that actually fuel your productivity, like exercising, reviewing your goals, reading, or simply planning your schedule. These habits may not feel immediately productive in the traditional sense, but they lay the groundwork for a sharper, more focused, and more energized view. And that version of you is far more capable of getting things done efficiently. There's also a powerful psychological shift that happens when you consistently wake up early and take action. You start your day with wins, whether that's completing a workout, finishing a chapter of a book, or knocking out a key task. Those small victories create momentum, and momentum is everything when it comes to productivity. It's what carries you from one task to the next with confidence and clarity rather than hesitation and overwhelm. Let's not forget the emotional side of productivity. When you feel rushed, stressed, and behind schedule, it's hard to perform at your best. But when you've already tackled a few important things before most people have even gotten out of bed, you feel accomplished. That sense of accomplishment leads to motivation, and that motivation fuels even more action. It's a positive cycle that starts with a simple decision: getting up early. Of course, waking up early doesn't magically make you productive. It's what you choose to do with those hours that counts. But by giving yourself the time, space, and mental clarity that the early morning offers, you create the ideal environment for deep focus and meaningful work. You stop scrambling to keep up and start getting ahead, step by step, hour by hour. Ultimately, early mornings give you the chance to align your energy with your priorities. They allow you to work when your mind is clear, your surroundings are calm, and your drive is strongest. And when you use that time well, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve, not just in one day, but over weeks, months, and even years. Waking up early isn't just about getting ahead or being more productive, though those are great benefits. It also plays a powerful role in improving both your mental and physical health. While it might be tempting to stay under the covers for a few extra hours, building the habit of waking up early can lead to real, lasting improvements in how you feel, how you think, and how you live your life day to day. One of the most noticeable benefits is how waking up early affects your mental health. yourself. When you start your day calmly, without the stress of rushing or the panic of running late, you create a sense of peace and control that lingers throughout the day. It's like setting the emotional tone for everything that follows. That feeling of being in charge, of moving with intention instead of chaos, reduces anxiety and lowers your stress levels before they even have a chance to rise. Early mornings also give you time to mentally prepare yourself, whether it's through meditation, journaling, deep breathing, or even just a quiet moment with a cup of tea. You have the chance to check in with yourself before the rest of the world demands your attention. That small act of mindfulness, of being present and centered, builds emotional resilience. It trains your brain to approach challenges with a calm mindset rather than reacting in frustration or panic. Over time, this reduces chronic stress, which is known to be a major contributor to anxiety, depression, and other mental health struggles. Waking up early also helps improve sleep quality. It may sound backward. Waking up early makes you sleep better, but it's true. When you consistently rise early and go to bed at a reasonable hour, your body begins to align with its natural circadian rhythm or internal clock. That rhythm is deeply connected to the cycle of natural light, day and night. When you wake with the sun and wind down in the evening, your body learns to sleep deeper and more restfully. You stop tossing and turning, and you start waking up feeling refreshed rather than groggy. Better sleep means a sharper mind, better memory, more stable emotions, and greater energy throughout the day. Physically, waking up early can also give your body the space it needs to thrive. Early risers often find it easier to fit in exercise, whether that's a full workout or a simple walk or stretch. Moving your body in the morning does more than just wake you up. It increases blood flow, boosts your metabolism, and releases endorphins, the brain's natural feel-good chemicals. Those endorphins set a positive tone for the rest of the day and can even protect you from feeling sluggish, irritable, or overwhelmed later on. There's also a link between early rising and healthier eating habits. When you wake up early, you're more likely to eat a real breakfast rather than skipping it or grabbing something processed on the go. A nutritious breakfast helps balance blood sugar, boosts focus, and keeps your mood stable. You're also less likely to crave junk food later in the day, since your body starts off fueled and nourished instead of depleted. But perhaps one of the most overlooked benefits is the simple sense of satisfaction that comes from taking care of yourself. When you wake up early and use that time for your well-being, whether it's for movement, reflection, or even just breathing, you begin to value yourself more. You stop putting yourself last, and that quiet self-respect built one morning at a time can change how you show up in every part of your life. So while waking up early might seem like a small lifestyle choice, it actually holds the power to transform your health, both mentally and physically. It gives you space to breathe, heal, grow, and reset, and that's something we all deserve. In the middle of our busy lives, where deadlines pile up, notifications never stop, and everyone seems to need something from us, it's easy to forget to carve out time for ourselves. We give so much to others throughout the day that by the time we think about our own needs, we're too tired to do anything about them. That's why waking up early matters so much. It gives you something incredibly valuable, time that belongs completely to you. The early morning hours are a gift. Before the world wakes up, before texts start pinging your phone, before the noise of the day begins, there's this rare, quiet space that's just yours. No pressure, no rush, no one else asking anything of you. In that silence, you can breathe, you can think, you can reconnect with who you are and what you need, not just as a student, a worker, a parent, or a friend, but simply as you. This time isn't about being productive in the traditional sense. It's not necessarily about crossing things off a to-do list. It's about creating a space where you can focus on the things that fill you up instead of emptying you out. Maybe it's reading a chapter of a book you love, writing in a journal, meditating, or taking a quiet walk outside. Maybe it's doing absolutely nothing, just sitting still and enjoying the quiet. Whatever it is, it should be something that helps you feel connected, calm, and whole. When you start your day with time for yourself, you send a message to your own heart. I matter. That small but powerful act of self-care creates a ripple effect. You move into your day feeling more grounded, more at peace, and more ready to face whatever comes your way. You're less reactive, more patient, and better able to handle stress. Not because the world has changed, but because you have taken the time to prepare yourself emotionally and mentally. Too often, we wait until we're burnt out to finally take care of ourselves. We say we'll rest when things slow down, we'll read when we have time, we'll breathe when it's over, but life doesn't usually slow down on its own. And waiting means we never really get the care we need. By waking up early and claiming that quiet time at the start of the day, you stop waiting. You take that power into your own hands. And here's the beautiful part. This time doesn't have to be long to be meaningful. Even just 20 or 30 minutes can make a difference. It's not about quantity, it's about presence. It's about being fully there with yourself, even if only for a short while. Over time, those moments add up. They build a deeper relationship with yourself. They help you remember what matters. And they remind you that you deserve to be nurtured, not just needed. Waking up early is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to find that personal time. It's not always easy, especially in the beginning. But once it becomes a habit, it turns into something you actually look forward to. It becomes a sacred part of your day, an anchor, a ritual, a quiet promise you keep to yourself. In a world that constantly pulls your attention outward, early mornings are a chance to turn inward, to pause, to reflect, to simply be. That kind of space is rare and it's precious. So when you choose to wake up early, you're not just gaining extra time, you're reclaiming a part of yourself that the world often overlooks. And that, more than anything, can change the way you move through life.